Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to insert pictures and other shapes in Microsoft Word. For example, you are working on your presentation and you need it to be simple, well organized and very adaptable. Word allows you to insert pictures into your document such as logos of companies, photos and other pictures to give more interest or a more professional look to your document. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accents to existing text. Used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accents to existing text. Used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. Here is how you can do it. Click on the Start menu to open up a search box. Type in Word and click on it once you found it. Click where you are seeing blank document to start a new document where you will insert a picture. You can even open your recently created document. Next, locate and click where you are seeing insert. Now on the new interface you should be able to see options you have. You can add pictures from your computer or even online pictures. You can also add any shapes you want depending on the work you will do. You can add even tables. Basically that's all you can do. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.